Let us start today's class. Children, today's topic is rounding of numbers. Don't write anything, children. Simply listen to me. Look at the screen and listen to me. Until I say you to write, then only you have to put on your pencils on the book. What is the topic? Rounding of numbers. Is everybody's videos is on? Videos are on? I can see some of you off your videos. All of you just unmute your videos and listen to me. Look at me and listen to me, okay? Today's topic is what? Rounding of numbers. Rounding of numbers means, how do you round off numbers? For what purpose we round off numbers? We round off numbers to make our calculations very much easier by estimating the numbers to their nearest tens, hundreds, like that. How we are going to round off numbers? Children, for what purpose we are going to round off numbers means, suppose for that thing, I'm going to give you an example for it. See, in a basket, suppose 8 apples are there. Eight apples are there. Then, by just looking over the basket, we can see we can say an estimation figure of tens, right? Maybe around 10 apples are there. Like that, we can say without just calculating, counting the number of apples there, right? Without just calculating or counting the number of apples in the basket, we can say that maybe around 10 apples are there. Actually, if we count them, actually, how many apples are there? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 apples are there. But simply by estimation, we can expect that around, we can estimate the answer as 10, right? Like that way, we can round off the numbers to their nearest tens or maybe hundreds. Let me tell you, what do you mean by rounding off the number to their nearest tens? Okay. Excuse me. Rounding off numbers to their nearest ten. Shanmukha Priya. Look at me and listen to me. Harshini. I'm explaining you, Nana. I'm not making you to write. Just listen to me what I'm saying. I'll give you time to write something again. Okay, just listen to me. I'm discussing about rounding of numbers. Now let us discuss about rounding of numbers to their nearest tens. Means what? See, suppose I have taken a 2-digit number. 34 I have taken. I want to round off this 34 to its nearest 10. Means what is the process to round off this number to its nearest 10? How to do? See, you have to look over the ones place digit. What is there? What is the digit in the ones place? 4, right? Always we have to make the ones place as 0 while rounding off a number to its nearest 10. But whereas here, see, 4 is there, no? The ones place digit must be 4. in two forms. If the ones place digit is in between 1 to 4, suppose, then the tens place should digit must be written as it is. Okay, we have to make ones place number as 0, but the tens number should be written as it is. If suppose here is 4, right? Instead of 4, suppose if we have 6, suppose, then what you have to do? How to round off this number to its nearest 10? 6 must be made as 0 and check this, compare this 6 in the ones place. 6 is in between 1 to 4. Is 6 is in between 1 to 4? No, right? It is greater than 4. It is 6 lies between 5 to 9, right? 6 lies between 5 to 9. That means 6 is greater than 4, right? Then immediately what you have to do? You have to add. I'll explain you again in the next page, children. 36. Let me take 36 again. See, 36 is there. I want to round off this number. Round off to its nearest 10. What you have to do is you have to look over the ones place digit. What is there in the ones place digit? 6, right? 6 which is greater than 4. Then immediately what you have to do? You have to make this ones place as 0. Always remember, while rounding of a number to its nearest 10, the ones place digit always becomes 0. Okay. Next place value, coming to next place value, what is there? 3, right? As 6 is greater than 4, the ones place number, the 6 is greater than 4, what you have to do? You have to add 1 in the tens place. So how much does it become? 40. Right. When 36 is rounded to its nearest 10, what is the answer? 40. Then you can write 36 is rounded to 40. Answer is how much? 40. Got it. Let us take some more examples for it. I have taken 75. Now let me round off this number also to its nearest 10. Can you able to hear me, all of you, clearly? Show your thumb. If you can able to hear clearly, just show your thumb. Good. Fine. 75 is there. Here, in 75, I just want to round off this number to its, no, put it off, Nana. I just want to round off this 75 to its nearest 10. For that sake, what we have to first remember, the ones place should be 0 and observe the ones place number only again. 5 is there. 5 is greater than 4 or less than 4? It is greater than 4, right? Then immediately you add 1 in the tens place. How much does it becomes? 80, right? Then what you can write? What is the answer? 75 is rounded to 80. Got it, children? Clear? Now let me take a 3-digit number now. I have taken here 195. What I have taken here? 195. This 3-digit number also, the same procedure you have to apply for this 3-digit number also. See, I want to round off this number to its nearest 10 only again. Nearest 10 only. What is the first thing you have to remember? You have to make this ones place digit as 0. While rounding off any number of digits it may be, while rounding off any number, the ones place digit must be 0, and again look over the ones place digit only. What it is there? 5, right? 5. 5 which is greater than 4. If it is less than 4, then no need of changing the tens place number. But it is more than 4, right? Then what you have to do immediately, you add 1 in the tens place. 9 plus 1 is how much? 10. This one goes as a carrying part to the hundreds place. 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. What is the answer? 200. What is the answer? 200. When 195 is rounded to its nearest 10, what is the answer which we get there? It is 200. Got it, children? Is it clear? Clear to you all? Shreyansh? Is it clear to you? Sahasra, clear? Good. Shall we go to one more example so that it will be more clear for you people? Yeah. Let me take one question like, I have taken I'm going to take a 4-digit number now. Okay. 4,259 I have taken. Okay. 4,259. Now I want to round off this number to its nearest 10 only again. Nearest 10 only again. But I have taken a 4-digit number now. Even if I take a 4-digit number also, the same procedure we have to apply. What is it? Firstly, the first thing what you have to remember, you have to remember that the ones place should be 0. And observe the ones place number only. It's 9, right? You have to think whether, now you have to go to 9 and you have to analyze that whether 9 is greater than 4 or less than 4. If a number is less than or equal to 4, the number is as it is in the tens place. But it is greater than 4, right? Then immediately you have to add 1 in the tens place digit. 5 plus 1 is how much? 6. The remaining part is as it is, you have to write. 2 under nothing is there, you are writing 2. 4 under nothing is there. The same 4 you are writing here, 2 and 4. Got it. If suppose I have 4,132 is there, suppose 4,132 is there. Now I want to round off this number also to its nearest 10. What is the first thing to remember? You have to make the ones place digit as 0. Okay. Now go back to the ones place digit only again and observe whether the ones place digit is less than or greater than 4. 2 is there, right? Is 2 less than 4 or greater than 4 here? Yashmant will say the answer to me. Tell me, Nana, Yashmant.
Ma'am.
Is 2 less than 4 or greater than 4? Is 2 here less than
Ma'am.
greater than 4?
Less than 4.
It's less than 4, right? Then go to the tens place digit and remain it as it is. No need of adding any 1 to it, okay? No need of adding 1 to it. You have to write the same digit as it is and go to the other places in the same manner. Now mute yourself, Yashwant.
Ma'am.
Mute yourself now. What about the remaining children? You people are muting your videos. On your videos, all of you? All of you should start the videos. I should see you people. I should know whether you people are listening to me or not. Now got it children, how to round off a particular number to its nearest 10? Is it easy? Is it easy? Simply the thing, two things you have to remember. First thing is the ones place digit should be 0. Then go back to the ones place digit only again. Rona, remove your finger from the near the video. Go back to the ones place number only again. See whether that number is less than 4 or greater than 4 or equal to 4. If a number, suppose instead of, one more example also I want to give now. See, I have taken a 4-digit number again, which is 3024. Okay. I have taken a number 3024. Now I want to make round off this number to its nearest 10 again. What is the first thing to remember? The ones place must be 0. Okay. Now go back to the ones place digit only again. What you can see here? 4. Right? If it is exactly 4, 4 is equal to 4, right? Then in this condition also, no need of changing the ones place digit. No need of adding 1 in the tens place digit. Sorry. What it is? It's tens place digit. No need of adding any number. 1 to tens place digits. Simply you have to write as it is. Got it? It will be as it is. Tens digit number is as it is. Got it children? Clear? Only the ones place will be changed to 0. And you can say that 3024 is rounded to 3020. Got it? When he is asked to round off to nearest 10. Got it children? Is it clear to you all? Easy? Is it easy? The first thing, whenever it is asked to round off to nearest 10, you have to first make the ones place digit as 0 and observe that ones place digit. If it is greater than 4, then add 1 in the tens place. Otherwise, no need. No need of adding any number 1 to the tens place. Simply, you can remain the number as it is in the tens place. Take down the notes. Medha? Where is Medha? You raised your hand. You have any doubt? Medha. Where is Medha? Yeah, Medha. I have unmuted you. Please raise your doubt. Medha. I can't see you, Medha. Yeah, Medha. I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Once check yours. Yes, Medha. You have muted again. Yeah, tell me now. Make it fast. Medha. Do you have any doubt? Shrestha. got struck, Medha? Yeah, Shrestha?
Ma'am, can you tell the heading?
Speak clearly, Nana. Put your mic in near your mouth and speak.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you tell that heading?
Heading and all, I'll be telling you. I'm going to the other part now. I'll be telling you that. I'll make you write. Get ready with your pencil. Medha, your video got struck and your voice also got struck. Let us go to the new page. Is this thing is clear for you all? Arman? Arham? Sheikh Arham. Is this thing clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. All of you once show your thumb whether this thing is clear to you all. No doubts? Fine. Now let us start the notes.
You are unmuted.
Rounding off numbers. Sometimes to make our calculations easier and faster, we round off the numbers, right? Sometimes to make our calculations easier and faster, we round off the numbers. Now let us see how to round off numbers to their nearest tens. Completed? Shrestha, completed? Very nice. Srikar, completed? Very good. Yashwant, completed? Good. Akshit. Akshit Ram. Where are you, Akshit? Have you completed? Akshit, have you completed?
No, ma'am.
Make it fast. Take a screenshot, otherwise you can write down later.
I did.
I have given you enough of time. Please mute yourself. I cannot find you here. Akshit. Mute yourself. Okay. Now let me go to the other page. You can continue there itself. You will be finding space there. Continue from the same page, in the same page. Rounding, how to round off numbers to their nearest tens. If the digit in the ones place is 4 or less than 4, round off the ones digit to 0 and keep the digit at the tens place unchanged. See that you have to observe the digit which is in the ones place. If it is less than 4 or equal to 4, then no need of changing the tens place number. You have to write the tens place number as it is. The digit at the tens place is unchanged, not to be changed. Ananya, completed? Good. Danesh, where you are roaming? Completed? Not completed? Make it fast. Make it fast. Nehal, Kaushal, Mirza, you people are hiding your faces. I cannot see you people. Sai Akshay, Advit, Shreyan, Sanvi Agarwal, Keshav, Vignesh, Adhya, Harshini, David, Shrita, Akshat, Akshat Rishi, Sai Akshay, Abhignesh. Just on your videos. Completed? Akshat? Good. Now let me go to the next page. Take a screenshot. If it is not possible to you complete it right now. Good, Sanvi. Let us take some examples now. Round off 34 to its nearest 10. See here, children. Round off 34 to its nearest 10. What you have to do firstly? You have to look over the ones place. Make ones place digit as 0 and observe the same 4 again. See, it is equal to 4, right? It is 4. Then no need of changing the ones place number. Simply you have to write is 34 is rounded to Keshav. Just start your video and tell me the answer to it. Keshav, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Start your video. Where are you? Keshav,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the answer. 34 is rounded to how much? What is the answer when it is when you have to round off this to its nearest 10? Tell me what is the nearest 10 to 34? David, that's why I tell you people to start on your videos. Don't unmute your videos. Unmute it. Sanvi. Sanvi. I'll make you call after the class. You'll be getting my calls. Those who are not opening your videos, you'll be getting my calls after this class. Yeah, Kavish, Keshav. 34 is rounded to 30 is the answer, right? See how what I said? When it is rounded to its nearest 10, 4 should be 0. Ones place number should be 0. And see, look, go back to the same digit and check whether it is less than 4 or greater than 4 or equal to 4. It is 4, right? Then no need of changing the number which is in the tens place. You have to write as it is. So the answer is how much? It's 30. Next, continue there. If one more thing. If the digit in the ones place is between 5 to 9, or else if it is greater than 9 also you can write, then round off one's digit to 10 and add 1 to 10th digit. And add 1 to 10th digit. If the digit in the ones place is between 5 to 9, then round off one's digit to 10. Means what happens? The ones digit becomes 0 and the 10th digit, for the 10th digit you have to add